Catapult was a great opportunity to actually explore my interests and what I may or may not like as a future career.
Coming here really helps to focus in on what you should be doing with the rest of your life, and it gives you an opportunity to look into new things that you'd never even thought of going for before.
The whole project approach that the camp offers is one of the best things that you can find out there.
There's electrical engineering with making new circuits, or mechanical engineering, making trebuchets and frisbee throwers. I was in the chemistry department, which I loved. Anywhere else I go, they would not let me into a clean room lab or play with a microscope that shoots electrons or anything like that. That's like in my wildest dreams to do anything like that. I describe it as a mix between all the math and science that I love and then a whole bunch of fun.
And it gives you a chance to try new things that you've never done and also be involved in this amazing, tight-knit, close community of people who are very like-minded.
It was super easy here to make friends. You could literally walk up to anyone and find something in common. And I know you could say that about most people, but here, your interests are so similar that it just makes everything better.
I've always struggled to find people that I blended in with. I think I kind of found that group of people here.
International students should definitely feel comfortable in coming to Rose. The Rose-Hulman community really embraces every kind of student, which made me feel like I was really a part of this community.
Get a shot of that.
When I came to Catapult, my initial thinking was to actually study computer science here in the US. To be honest, I wasn't really sure about my decision, but after visiting Catapult and being among faculty members, I think that I'm definitely going to study computer science here.